Hello friends. Today, we can see how to fix the errors in pen drives and memory chips. First, I plug my device that I want to fix. To open, I double-click on that removable disk. But it was a failure by showing the disk was not available. Then, I right-click to format. Next, I have clicked the Start button to start formatting. But the Windows was unable to complete the format. Now, let's fix it. First, go to the command prompt and turn on caps lock. Then, you have to type disk part without any spaces. And press enter. Now, you can see a pop-up message. Click yes to continue. You will see a new command prompt window. After that, you should type list space disk. Press enter. And you can see the list of disk available on your computer. You must select your disk number accurately. Again, you should type select space disk number that you have selected before and press enter. Now your disk is selected. And type clean and press enter. It will take a moment. Now your disk is cleaned. Then, type create, space, partition, space, primary, and press enter. Again, type active, and press enter. Now, the disk partition will be active. And type exit to close the command prompt. Then, double-click on that disk. Now, you can see a pop-up message. And click Format Disk. Now you will see Formatting window. Click Start button to start formatting. Now, format will be successful. And you can use that disk again as usual. Thank you for watching this video. If you gained something from this video, don't miss to like it and share it. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more video like this. Click the bell icon for getting a notification about my channel. See you again.